Alright, let's just take a look at some spatial perception. Show you how these land masses once were fit together. Pangaea was not what they say. They didn't just push together, they were sandwiched on top of each other. So check out all this in here would fold up and fit right here. So then the northern coast would flip over and all sit right there. So the serpent would line up with all this, and I've done a video on it. It all lines up. It's 4,000 kilometers through the Grand Canyon there, and this serpent is 4,000 kilometers. It lines up perfectly. It's like a puzzle. It was cut into a cross section and set right here, and then it's the same story going down to Antarctica. I'm thinking less and less that Antarctica is the ice ring that surrounds a flat Earth. I think it's just the farthest possible point away from the center. I think it is what it is. I think there is an ice ring or something to that degree around us, but I'm pretty sure Antarctica is what they say it is. Notice all this. So Antarctica was then folded off of South America. I mean, it all just fits. All that would fit perfectly in here. So we got 4,000 kilometers, 43, 48, 3. Would you look at that? Slightly over. Same story. Start from a far point and just start measuring around, and it's the same thing. This would fit geometrically, geologically, and anatomically perfect onto South America. And let's not forget the cause of these land masses being separated. And it's the same thing over here in Africa. All the yellow tan spots were all folded together, and then all the green was around that. So all this folded together, and then the bottom up here sandwiched on top of it, and all this was rolled up into, like, I just picture it like a sandwich shape, and then unfurled by the serpents, who is also embodied by this character. This Pakal. And he goes around and distributes the dragons, and when he needs to do bigger work, he embodies the dragons. The dragons embody him, he embodies the dragons. He literally turns his form inside out and is able to pass through solid mass as our dimension is programmed for. Light and density.